this video, I will show you how you can easily create talking avatar that look exactly like this right here. And guys, I'm just going to walk you through this step right here. So guys, simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. So right here guys, are you excited on how you can easily do just that? So all you want to simply do is to create a character, and you can easily try out the lexico.art. You can also try out Nonado AI, Moon Valley, and Midjourney right here in order for you to be able to create your avatars. But right here guys, I'm going to make use of the lexico.art right here. So guys, you can easily go on to the generate option, and right here guys, you want to simply search for an image and click on to generate. But if you simply tap on to generate, it's going to take you right onto this page. What you want to simply do is to describe your image. I can decide to make use of this right here, Anime Studio. So this is what I want to simply generate. Click on to generate. So right here guys, as you can see, we have been able to generate an Anime Studio right here. So guys, I can decide to just download this particular image into my device. So the next thing guys I want to actually do right now is to simply search for anime boy. So this one I'm going to search for and simply click on to generate. So right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to generate these images right now. So guys, I can easily decide to make use of this particular image and click on to download. And right here guys, I was able to generate an image like this that include both the studio and this. So you can easily just put in anime boy sitting down in an anime studio right here, and you can easily get images that looks exactly like this right here. So I can easily decide to make use of this particular image with the Anime Studio as my talking avatar by simply just downloading this particular image right here. So guys, the next thing you want to actually do right now is to go onto this platform called the photopia.com. So right here, simply drop on the file right here you want to make use of. So right here guys, I'm just going to drag and drop this particular image. So right here guys, once you're done simply just uploading that particular image, the next thing you want to go right now is to simply just tap on the spot inning brush tool, so which is this right here. You tap on that, and guys, you want to be careful right here. You want to simply just blur the lips right here guys, be careful. So once you're done with this, you want to simply just click onto the file right here, click onto file, export as PNG right here, and this will be saved right into your device. Simply tap on to save, and you are able to save this right into your device. So the next thing guys you want to do is to simply go on to CapCut. You want to simply create a new project right here. So the next thing guys is to import your videos, the photos, and also the matte green screen right here onto CapCut. So simply go on to import, and you can easily just import that particular image right there. So I can decide to just import this right here, and that should be done. You simply click on to import one more time, and I want to simply import the matte screen. So this is it, the matte green screen that was downloaded from YouTube, and this is it right here. So guys, once you're done getting this, all you want to simply do right now is to simply drag and drop. So I'm going to drag and drop this particular one right here. The next is to drag and drop this and place on top right here. So once you're done, the next thing guys you want to do is to simply just split about 5 seconds of this particular screen. So I'm just going to go on to split right here and simply just delete the split scene and simply drag to adjust. So the next thing guys you want to do, you want to simply tap on the matte green screen and go on to the cutout section, enable the chrome key, and you want to simply just select the color picker. I'm going to make use of this. Now right here guys, for the strength, you want to make sure that this is more than 80 right here. So I'm just going to take this up right here to be this. Then your shadow should be more than 60 plus right here. So you want to simply just adjust. Then once you're done, now you want to simply just adjust the lips right here to your image. So right here guys, as you can see, I've been able to adjust this right here. So guys, the next thing you want to simply do, you can easily add in your voiceover. So I can decide to add in this voiceover right here. I can decide to just drag and drop this right here and add to my scene, and I can easily just play this. So right here guys, this is how I've been able to create this AI talking avatar, and once you're done, you can easily just export this right into your device. So guys, this is how you can easily create a cartoon talking avatar that looks exactly like this right here by simply just following the steps that I have showed you right here in this video.